Hi, I'm Keysha Lee, University of Georgia graduate. I'd love to see maybe him standing for a little while, like a little arc shot. Award-winning anchor and news reporter.
The Georgia Lottery-funded Hope Scholarship, opening doors.
It was a dream come true.
Changing lives.
It allowed me to become who I am today and a reporter, which I love.
Award-winning TV show host and broadcast video production instructor, Keysha Lee.
Action. I am Keysha Lee, the new mass comm teacher. Stay tuned for some exciting videos, television shows, and a great year broadcasting. And welcome to the Love Out Loud broadcast. Today's show will feature an up-close and personal interview. Promises Entertainment welcomes you to the premiere of Carla's Tales Nightmare. I'm your host on the red carpet, Keysha Lee, and I'm the executive producer and host of my very own TV show, Lessons with Mrs. Lee.
I'm Marissa Mitchell with Fox 5 Atlanta's News Edge at 11, and I am hanging out and sharing lessons with Mrs. Lee.
This is Pete Chapman, director of Blackish, Grownish, which you'll hear about on Lessons with Mrs. Lee.
I'm Robin Roberts, and this is Lessons with Mrs. Lee.
Hey, I'm Jasmine Guy, and you know what? I studied hard. I still study hard, and I'm 50. So I hope you all are studying hard and listening to Mrs. Lee and learning your lessons with Mrs. Lee.
I have a living legend on the show today, Dr. Mary Frances Early. She is the first African-American graduate of the University of Georgia. What really stands out to me is that investigative report that was done on you and your entire family.
The investigative report was simply one of the ruses that the officials, including UGA, tried to discredit me from being able to be accepted.
Teens learn how their cell phones can create the next award-winning movie. The 3-hour workshop was taught by an award-winning TV show host and producer, Keysha Lee. As the film industry continues to boom in the county and across the state, a group of adults learns what it takes to actually get into the business. The first class of the Filmmaking 101 Library After Dark filmmaking session was held at the Metropolitan Library. The 12-session course is taught in the evenings by award-winning TV show host and broadcast video production instructor Keysha Lee.
We talked about what's going to be covered in all 12 sessions, and then cell phones have made it so easy for us to make films. Even now, I'm recording on mine. If you're an aspiring filmmaker and you have a cell phone, get started today. Grab a copy of my book, Filmmaking 101, and create something amazing.
Fulton Films held its first annual virtual film fair. The seminar not only consisted of trainings, workshops, and panels with industry experts and influencers, but it also consisted of contests.
Partnership with Fulton Films has had a great impact on my business. It's been personal to me. I grew up in Georgia. I'm a Grady baby. I grew up in the old 4th Ward community, so I am Atlanta, 30312, 404 area code, and I attended school at the University of Georgia. And so what really makes it so impactful to me is I don't have to leave my state. I can stay in the state and live out my whole life and pursue my career in film. And that's why I love this partnership with Fulton Films. I think it's the very embodiment of staying in the state and being able to live out your full career in Georgia.